Welcome to our video on how to create and sell online courses for profit. If you've ever wanted to share your expertise with the world and make money doing so, you're in the right place. In this video, we will guide you through the entire process, from creating engaging course content to effectively marketing and selling your courses online. Let's get started. Choosing your course topic. The first step in creating and selling online courses is selecting the right topic. You want to choose something you are knowledgeable and passionate about, a subject that people are interested in learning. Conduct market research, identify gaps in existing courses, and find unique angles to stand out from the competition. Planning and structuring your course. Once you've chosen your topic, it's time to plan and structure your course effectively. Break down your content into modules and lessons, ensuring a logical flow of information. Create engaging learning materials such as videos, presentations, quizzes, and interactive exercises to enhance the learning experience. Section 3. Recording and editing course content. Now, let's move on to recording and editing your course content. Invest in quality equipment like a microphone and webcam to ensure clear audio and video. Use screen recording software to capture your presentations or demonstrations. Finally, edit your recordings using video editing tools to enhance the overall production value. Section 4. Building a course website. In order to sell your courses, you'll need a dedicated course website. Choose a reliable e-learning platform or set up your own website using content management systems like WordPress or platforms specifically designed for online courses. Customize your website's branding, design a user-friendly interface, and create enticing course landing pages. Section 5. Marketing and selling your courses. Now that your course is ready, it's time to market and sell it effectively. Utilize different marketing strategies such as social media promotion, email marketing, content marketing, and paid advertising. Leverage the power of search engine optimization, SEO, to increase your course visibility. Offer free trials or discounts to attract initial students and build a positive reputation. Congratulations on completing our guide on how to create and sell online courses for profit. By following these steps, you're now equipped with the necessary knowledge and tools to turn your expertise into a profitable e-learning business. Remember, success in the online course industry requires continuous improvement, engagement with your students, and a commitment to delivering high-quality content. Best of luck on your journey.